In this video, we're going to learn how to use the worksheet protection feature to protect just particular parts of a worksheet. So we're looking at a spreadsheet here that is proposed sales target for Canadian distributors for packaging. So the description of the type of package is in the column B. The model numbers are listed. There is a base rate for each of these various containers. There's a base rate for them. And then depending on which province the package is sold, there's an additional rate that is a sales target, and they're listed over here in a table. All right, so if we click into Ontario D4, we'll see that the formula to figure out the base rate, or what they're selling it for, is the base rate, C4, which is here, plus whatever the sales target assumption is for Ontario. And in this case, it's 65 cents. So 155 plus 65 cents gives us the 220. So what we're going to do is we're going to protect this data sheet, the whole sheet, except for these 4 sales target assumptions. We want to leave that available to be changed so that if the sales targets change, then we can change it in the spreadsheet, but not change anything else, leave everything else in place. So in order to do that, it's a two-step process. The first thing we need to do is identify the cells that we do not want to lock. And so it's kind of a reverse thought process. We have to first of all protect them from being locked. And so we do that by selecting them, and then on the home menu, way over under Format, we go to Format, and then we click on Lock Cell. So that's going to be kind of counterintuitive in your thinking. We are locking, so try to think of it this way. We are locking the cells from being protected. All right, so we've locked those cells. Now if we go to our Review tab and protect our sheet, then we're going to protect the worksheet and the contents of locked cells, and then click OK. So now we should not be able to make any changes in any cells without getting an error message. Okay, so the seller chart is on a protected sheet. I click OK, but I should be able to go in here and make a change. So keep your eye on this column here. I'm going to change our target from 0.30 to 0.50. Press Enter, and then all of those figures returned differently as well, because I was able to go in and make a change there. I'm not able to go in and make a change anywhere else because the rest of it has been protected. So those are the steps that you need to follow to protect just certain cells. Well, actually, you're protecting the whole worksheet, but you're leaving certain cells available to be changed. So to do so, you select the ones that you want to allow changes to be made, and you go to the Home, Format, Lock Cells. It will be available when you're just starting. You choose Lock Cell, and then you go through your Review Protect worksheet. All right, so those are the steps for leaving certain cells available for change and protecting the rest of the worksheet.